Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to change your Twitch username. And in order for you to do that, you're going to first either search for the Twitch on your desktop, or if you do have it on your desktop, you're just going to launch it. Or even if you have it on your devices, you're still going to launch it, or you're going to search for the Twitch. From there, you're going to tap on your profile, and then you're going to tap on settings. You're going to scroll down until you see profile settings, and from there you're going to see the username. From there you're going to have the option to change your username just by tapping on this pencil icon, and then you're going to have the option to change your username. Remember that updates can be performed once every 60 days. So in the case that you're trying to change your username before the 60 days are over, it will not happen. So you'll have to wait until the 60 days are over, which is after 2 months. And I'll see you guys on the next step of video.